Strategy number 11. This is also useful for non-qualified investments. Real estate or real estate investment trusts, REITs for short. REITs allow you to buy a small percentage of the entire amount. So if you dreamed about purchasing real estate, but you didn't have $1 million or multi-million dollars to put down for a huge apartment complex, it allows you to participate as a fractional owner, assuming you meet the criteria in order to get into the fund itself. Where this offers a tax benefit is there is what's called the potential of a pass-through. So as these companies operate and there's underlying expenses, they can pass through some of those to help offset potential gains. So it can help you from a tax perspective to lower your taxes while still at the end of the day achieving the goal of owning a diversified asset such as real estate and the opportunity for income through rents and growth.